In fact, there is a lesson. So I was just gonna go about rebuilding this, and what I've done is I've got the new YZ125 piston, and I've just thought I'll just try it in, and it's just very, very tight, and I don't think that there's enough clearance. I'm going to double check the clearance, but I don't think there is, so I think it's going to have to be honed out, this barrel. So whether it was just that it had a new liner and it wasn't clearanced to the piston, it is possible. Maybe that's why it had so much compression, and that would definitely explain the scoring if there wasn't enough clearance and it was just scraping up and down basically. So there we go. I'm just going to check the clearance, and then if it's not enough of a gap, I'll take the power valve back out and nip that down to my mates and see if we can hone it out. So the clearance is supposed to be 0.06 mil, so just a general feeler blade, 0.6 mil feeler blade, and we're looking at about an inch up from the base of the piston, and you can tell it's tight going in, but there's just no way that's going to go in, so that is the problem. There we go. At least I did realise that was the problem before building it all, and then it all being a problem here. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Just search Phoenix Motos.